Namaste everyone, and a very warm welcome to Code with Professor. I am your host, and today we are diving deep into a fascinating and essential concept in enterprise Java, Java EE JMS, which stands for Java Message Service. If you are building robust, scalable, and loosely coupled applications, understanding JMS is absolutely crucial. We will explore how JMS enables asynchronous communication between different parts of your application, making them more resilient and efficient. By the end of this 5-minute tutorial, you will have a solid grasp of what JMS is, its core messaging models, and how to implement it in your Java applications. We will look at practical code examples and discuss important best practices. So, grab your virtual pen and paper, and let us begin this exciting journey into the world of Java Message Service. Whiteboard animation image, clean white background, dark marker handwriting. Show a whiteboard with the heading point-to-point, P2P, messaging, queues at the top. Below it, a simple diagram, sender box, queue box, receiver box. An arrow from queue to receiver with one consumer written on it. On the right side, a clearly boxed Java code snippet demonstrating how a message producer sends a message to a queue, with queuesender or JMS producer highlighted. Neat teacher handwriting. No people. Landscape 16:9. Now, let us move on to our second core concept, which is publish-subscribe messaging, often referred to as pub-sub. In contrast to point-to-point, the publish-subscribe model uses a destination called a topic. Imagine a topic as a newspaper subscription. When a publisher sends a message to a topic, all active subscribers to that topic will receive a copy of that message. It is a one-to-many delivery system. This model is perfect for broadcasting information, such as stock price updates, news feeds, or system alerts, where multiple components need to be informed simultaneously. For example, a weather station publishes updates to a weather updates topic, and all subscribed applications receive these updates. Here is a simple code snippet demonstrating how a publisher sends a message to a topic. Excellent. Now that we have covered the core concepts, let us put it all together with a practical example. We will see how to send a simple text message to a queue and then receive it. This involves several steps. First, establishing a connection to the JMS provider using a connection factory, then creating a session, which is a single-threaded context for producing and consuming messages. Next, we create a message producer to send messages and a message consumer to receive them. Finally, we send our text message and then retrieve it. Remember, in a real-world scenario, the sender and receiver would typically be separate applications, possibly running on different servers, communicating asynchronously. This example demonstrates the fundamental flow. As you embark on your JMS coding journey, it is important to be aware of some common pitfalls and best practices. One major mistake beginners make is not properly closing JMS resources like connections, sessions, producers, and consumers. This can lead to resource leaks and performance issues. Always ensure you close these resources in a finally block or use private resources. Another common issue is improper transaction management, leading to inconsistent message processing. Always consider whether your message operations need to be transactional. Also, remember to handle exceptions gracefully. Following these best practices will lead to more robust and reliable messaging applications. And there you have it, my dear friends. We have journeyed through the essentials of Java EE JMS. We started by understanding that JMS is an application programming interface for sending messages between two or more clients, enabling asynchronous and reliable communication. We then explored the two primary messaging models, point-to-point using queues for one-to-one delivery, and publish-subscribe using topics for one-to-many broadcasting. We saw practical code examples for both and discussed crucial best practices, especially regarding resource management. JMS is a powerful tool for building scalable and decoupled enterprise applications. I encourage you to practice these concepts and build your own messaging applications. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to Code with Professor for more exciting Java tutorials. Keep coding, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.